Okay, this is a video for an Xbox 360 that will not turn on. This happened to me before 3 times already because Xbox is a piece of junk, but it still works. Um, like if you just keep doing that all the time, just doesn't work. That or that little button right there, screen will not turn on. The orange thing still turns on. Don't take it apart, alright? That is one simple rule. Don't take it apart. One rule. Don't beat on it, kick it, yell at it. It's not a human being. But there is only one major problem with it. The little thing there, I don't know, I don't have a flashlight up, but wait, yeah, I do. Hold on. One little thing like in there. There's like one, I didn't take mine up, but one right there, there's a middle piece, like there's supposed to be 3 or 4. There's probably like 2 of them bent or just one bent. Mine was one bent, so bent that back up with like a screwdriver or Q-tips or a knife. Don't use a knife actually, I messed it up. But yeah. So like just bent that back up and I unplugged it because so I can show you guys. Hold on. Okay. Then you should get it turned on. Just give it a second. And then it should come up the screen like that. Alright. Comment on it, video it, whatever. Don't care. Yeah, I got a lot of games too, by the way. Yeah. It happened to me for like a couple days now. I forgot how to do it since. Alright, let's just make sure it works this time. Sorry if you can't see it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And there it goes. And there you go. All of the stuff. Yep. Friends, Xbox stuff, Netflix, movies, all that's there. Make sure disk tray works. Apparently not. There he goes. Never mind. Comment on it, rate it, like it, dislike, I don't care. Pretty much, thanks for watching.